guys and welcome back to my channel Say Hello with AJ. This vlog is about my recent trip to Los Cabos and I'll take you guys along with me. Los Cabos is at the southernmost tip of Baja California and it took us around 2.5 hours from Austin to actually arrive there. Hyatt Ziva is around 30 minutes from the airport and I booked transportation with them to reach there. And here's the view from the hotel lobby. It's simply breathtaking. There are a lot of activities to do at Hyatt Ziva. It's a really beautiful property and a big one too. When you go towards your left from the hotel lobby, there are several shops out there for multiple stuff. There were performances every day, usually during the evening, and during COVID as well, we felt completely safe, which was amazing. The resort offered on-site antigen testing, which was very comfortable, and we got results actually within 4 hours. Let's walk towards the room now and I'll give you guys a quick room tour. So ours is a suite. This is like the living room. Then via this gallery, here's the first bathroom. Here's the shower area. Then kind of a vanity space, which is pretty nice. Then we enter into the main bedroom. Sorry for the mess. So it's really spacious, lots of light. Closet space right here, and this is the main bathroom. And the view is amazing, guys. Let me take you guys. So here's the view from the room. Area, pool space. Note to book your pool cabanas well in advance as they get filled out pretty soon. Let's walk towards the beach now. Do note that the beach is not swimmable, so you gotta be in the pool most of the time and you can enjoy the beach, but you cannot swim. Let's take a look at all the restaurants now. Hyatt Ziva is an all-inclusive property and it has around 6 to 7 fine dining places and multiple bars on property. My favorite was the Italian restaurant Zafiro, even though Asian place Dozo is the most famous place. For vegetarians, I would totally recommend Zafiro. The food was really great. Now let's take a look at all the buffet options. It was really extensive and one of the best buffets I've ever seen. On one of the days we even had a Mexican carnival outside, and that was really good change. I wouldn't say there were many vegetarian options, but overall it was a very nice experience. There are multiple activities you can do in Los Cabos, though my favorite was visiting the famous Ark. I booked the tour myself via Viator for $50 per person. You need to go to Marina for that tour, and we took an Uber for that from Hyatt. Drive is around 40 minutes and the marina is really beautiful. And here's the beautiful ark that I was talking about. I hope you all liked my vlog. Please like, share and subscribe my channel. Say hello with AJ.